Question number 1. Transpose enzymes are responsible for transfer of resistance, transfer of gene, transcription of plasmid, excision and integration of plasmid. Correct answer is option B. Transfer of gene. Question number 2. Clary-Blair medium used as differential medium, transport media, selective media, unrich medium. Answer is option B. Transport media. Question number 3. Metachromatic granules are characterized features of Staphylococcus aureus, Corynebacterium diphtheria, Neisseria gonorrhoeae, Streptococcus pyogenes. Correct answer is option B. Corynebacterium diphtheria. Question number 4. Production of exotoxin that inhibits the release of acetylcholine at the neuromuscular junction act as protease, hyaluronidase, collagenase, coagulase. Correct answer is option A. Protease. Question number 5. A process that involves a sex pilus and the subsequent transfer of plasmid carrying genes. Translocation, transduction, transposition, conjugation. Correct answer is option D. Conjugation. Question number 6. Beta-lactamase are important cause of antibiotic resistance. Which one of the following is the most common site where beta-lactamase are located? Attached to nucleus, within the capsule, free in cytoplasm, within periplasmic space. Correct answer is option D. Within a periplasmic space. Question number 7. The main purpose of performing a throat culture is used to detect the presence of which one of the following bacteria? Streptococcus pyogenes, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Staphylococcus epidermidis, Neisseria meningitis. Correct answer is option A. Streptococcus pyogenes. Question number 8. In bacterial growth cycle, which phase has maximum metabolic activity? Stationary phase, dead phase, lag phase, log phase. Correct answer is option D. Log phase. Question number 9. Pertussis vaccine is a type of killed vaccine, live attenuated vaccine, toxoid vaccine, cellular fraction vaccine. Answer is option A. Killed vaccine. Question number 10. Of the following bacterial components, which one exhibits the most antigenic variation? Spore, capsule, peptidoglycan, lipid A of endotoxin. Correct answer is option B. Capsule. Question number 11. Lysosome in tears is an effective mechanism for preventing bacterial infection. Which one of the following bacterial structure does lysosome degrade? Nuclear DNA, peptidoglycan, plasmid pili. Correct answer is option B. Peptidoglycan. Question number 12. Quelling reaction is negative for N. meningitis, Haemophilus influenza, S. pneumonia, Salmonella typhi. Correct answer is option D. Salmonella typhi. Question number 30. For microscopic identification of Mycobacterium tuberculosis, Giemsa stain, Zn stain, Gram stain, iodine preparation. Correct answer is option B. Zn stain. Question number 40. Which of the following protozoa cause malaria? Plasmodium falciparum, Giardia lamblia, Entomoeba histolytica, Trichomo cruzi. Correct answer is option A. Plasmodium falciparum. Question number 50. The process of converting atmospheric nitrogen into usable form by bacteria is called nitrogen fixation, nitrogen mineralization, nitrogen recycling, nitrogen assimilation. Correct answer is option A. Nitrogen fixation. Question number 16. The process by which bacteria exchange genetic material through direct cell-to-cell contact is known as transduction, replication, conjugation, transformation. Correct answer is option C, conjugation. Question number 70. The process of converting nitrogen gas into ammonia by certain bacteria is called nitrogen fixation, denitrification, ammonification, nitrification. Answer is option A, nitrogen fixation. Question number 80. Which of the following is a sexually transmitted bacterial infection? Influenza, malaria, gonorrhea, tuberculosis. Correct answer is option C, gonorrhea. Question number 90. Which of the following is an acid-fast staining bacterium? Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Salmonella enterica, Escherichia coli, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Correct answer is option D, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Question number 20. The process by which bacteria use oxygen to generate ATP is known as aerobic respiration, fermentation, anaerobic respiration, photosynthesis. Correct answer is option A, aerobic respiration.